our weather, I feel like this is kind of back to what we are used to this time of year. Am I right?
Yes, this is very typical for the start of March. Hard to believe we're already into the new month.
Love it.
Happens so quick. But yeah, at least our weather is cooperating with the cloudy skies. Maybe just a stray raindrop or two as we sit at 54 degrees as our sunset is currently in the works out over the Vancouver waterfront, thanks to our Hotel Indigo Kirkland Tower camera. Hey, we got some new sunset and sunrise times on the horizon. Today it sets at 6:01, making tonight the first 6 o'clock hour sunset we have seen in the year 2025, a grand total of just over 11 hours of daylight. March 9th, we see those sunsets within the 9 o'clock hour, and that's all because we spring forward. This upcoming weekend, early Sunday morning, if you want to set an alarm, it's at 2 a.m. that we jump from 2 a.m. straight to 3 a.m. And that means those new sunrise and sunset times are expected. But overall, the month of March typically gives us the greatest amount of daylight hours gained. A total of 96 minutes for the Portland-Vancouver area, something that we can all look forward to. But with those changing times also comes the severe weather threat out towards our friends in the Central Plains. We got an enhanced risk for the potential for large damaging hail, wind, and also a few tornadoes, a possibility that then stretches its way through the Gulf coastal states for, again, the potential for some deadly weather out towards the deep south. And that's where our cloud coverage and the storms are just now starting to fire up this evening. Of course, a much different picture for us though in the Portland-Vancouver area. Just a few light rain showers out towards Clark County. A much different picture than our severe weather that we experienced 1 week ago today. As the cloud coverage, it is widespread from the coast to the high terrain of the Cascades for the rest of this evening. Staying mostly dry, cloudy as those temperatures slide back into the mid-40s just after the midnight hour. All in preparation of our next cold front that will not only be increasing the cloud coverage, but bringing the chance of rain for the midpoint of the day tomorrow. Then we transition back over to that cloud coverage for Wednesday as this low dives its way a little bit further to the south, helping to drive the jet stream further to the California location, and that means a cooler pocket of air sits overhead before another ridge of mild high pressure moves its way back in. So here it is, all timed out, the cloud coverage and a mostly dry start to the I-5 corridor for the start of the day tomorrow. Rain for the coast marches its way to the east by about lunchtime. Widespread significant rainfall, heavy mountain snow underway once more, and then we'll hold on to a scattered shower potential as we work our way into Tuesday evening. Wednesday drier, but keeping that cloud coverage before it starts to break apart in time for Thursday. So rain accumulation, that's going to be nearing close to about 1/4 of an inch for the I-5 corridor. Again, the windows from about 10 o'clock in the morning all the way to about 1, 2 o'clock in the afternoon for tomorrow. Closer to a 1/2 inch of rain for the coast, which starts right around 6 a.m. or so. As that snow elevation level continues to hover about the 4,000-foot mark, as we would like to pile up more 24-hour snow accumulation, I think that will be in the cards where we could potentially see an additional 3 to 6 inches for places like Mount Hood Meadows, Timberline Lodge, much of the same. But it will be a slushy commute to get up to the high terrain of the Cascades. Tonight, again, for the city, we stay dry, mostly cloudy, temperatures falling back into the low 40s by sunrise. And then for tomorrow, for the coast, low 50s for us. The rain gets underway before sunrise, takes us to the mid-morning hours. The rain doesn't get underway until the late morning hours for the I-5 corridor, back up into the mid-50s for us. Out towards the east, rain showers later in the day with cooler temperatures, and also seeing that snow elevation level right around 4,000 feet. Our 7-day forecast does show that Mardi Gras brings us that wet weather potential. Temperatures in the mid-50s. For Ash Wednesday, drier, mostly cloudy. Highs in the mid-50s. Again, all in the realm of where we should be for this time of year. As the sunshine, it does make a quick return Thursday, Friday. That's going to help to warm up the mercury once again to the low 60s by the time we get Saturday. Springing forward Saturday night into Sunday before you go to bed. Still hovering around the 60s with a few light rain showers before the real wet weather ramps back up again 1 week from today.
Yeah, but these are nice temperatures. I'm okay with it.
They are. You know, if it's going to be cloudy and the temperatures in the mid-50s, I think we can handle that.
Thanks, Josh.
Yeah.
We'll be right back.